Happy morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about microorganism. Introduction. We know that the microorganisms are living things, but what are they? They are harmful or useful. What they produce, we are going to know about the really world of the microorganism. Microorganism with the help of microscope and observe the magnification of the field. What are the microorganisms? Microbes are product of evolution, consequence of natural selection, operating upon vast array of genetically diverse the organism. The organism useful and harmful both are benefit in the human being. The human being used for the microbes day to day life in our life cycle.
What is a microbe? They are the oldest form of life on Earth. Microbe fossils date back more than 3.5 billion years to a time when the Earth was covered with ocean that regularly reached the boiling point hundreds of millions of years before dinosaurs lived in the Earth. What are microbes? That's called microorganism. Living things seen only with magnification. Example, all bacteria, all virus, all protozoa. Some fungi, some algae, and some animal. Microorganisms are classified into four major groups. These groups are bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and some algae. See the picture: bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and algae. Bacteria. Bacteria constitute a large domain or kingdom of prokaryotic microorganisms, typically a few micrometer in length. Bacteria have a wide range of shapes, ranging from sphere to rod and spiral. Vibrio. Bacteria were among the first life forms to appear on Earth and are present in most habitats on the planet. Bacteria inhibit soil, water, acidic hot spring, radioactive waste, the deep portion of Earth crust. Bacteria also live in plants, animals, and have flourished in manned space vehicles. Bacteria were among the first life form to appear Earth and present in most of its habitats. Bacteria inhabit soil, water, acidic hotspot spring, radioactive waste, and the deep biosphere of the Earth crust. Bacteria also live in symbiotic and parasitic relationship with the plants and animals. Bacteria, wherever, habit, environment, or place where organism were optimal condition, ideal temperature, humidity, nutrients, where on the top of mountains, the bottom of the deepest ocean, in the guts of animals, even in the frozen rock and ice of Antarctica. Most bacteria serve essential ecological role. Decomposition, breakdown of organism, release nutrients back into the environment. Cycling of nitrogen. Pathogenic bacteria causes disease. See the picture. The shape of bacteria based on structure: Diplococcus, Streptococcus, Tetracoccus, Staphylococcus, Cercidae, and rod-shaped bacilli: Bacillus anthrax, Salmonella typhi, spore-form bacteria, and the position of flagella: spiral, vibrio, and spirochetes. Types of flagellar arrangements: polar or monotrichous, single flagellum at one pole; lopotrichous, tuft of flagella at one pole; amphitrichous, flagella at both poles; peritrichous, flagella all over; amphiphotrichous, tuft of flagella at both ends; atrichous, flagella absent. Structure of bacteria. See the structure of bacteria. The outermost layer called as a capsule and formed the cell wall, followed by plasma membrane, followed by a mesosome. The plasma membrane invagination called as a mesosome. Some inclusion also is there. Pili or fimbriae or F plus is there. The capsule and cytoplasm. The 70s ribosome is there. The nuclear area called as a nucleoid containing a DNA or knackered genetic materials. The extracircular DNA called as plasmid also presented. The flagella also presented. Anatomy of bacterial cell. Outer layer, two components, a rigid cell wall, cytoplasmic membrane present beneath cell wall. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasmic inclusions: ribosomes, mesosomes, genetic material. Additional structure: capsule, flagella, fimbriae, pili, spores. Nutrition in bacteria. Mode of nutrition in bacteria is divided to three groups: autotrophic bacteria, heterotrophic bacteria, symbiotic bacteria. The bacteria need energy for the different activities of life. On the basis of nutrient, bacteria are divided into three groups: autotrophic bacteria, heterotrophic bacteria, symbiotic bacteria. Autotrophic bacteria, bacteria which synthesize their food from carbon source, are called autotrophic bacteria. They get energy from sunlight. They are further divided into two groups: photoautotrophs, chemoautotrophs. Photoautotrophs, these bacteria have chlorophyll dispersed in the cytoplasm. They utilize the atmospheric CO2 and get energy from sunlight and perform the process of photosynthesis, but use hydrogen sulfide instead of water as a source of hydrogen and liberate sulfur instead of oxygen. Chemoautotrophs. These bacteria do not use sunlight as a source of energy. The bacteria get their energy from ammonia, nitrate, and iron compound. Heterotrophic bacteria. These bacteria cannot synthesize their organic food. They get energy by decomposition of organic compound. They may be separate, saprophyte or parasite. Symbiotic bacteria. Some bacterium form an association with other organisms and are called symbiotic bacteria. It is of two types. Mutualism. Mutualism is described the ecological interaction between two or more species, where each species has a net benefit. Mutualism is a common type of ecological interaction. Commensalism. Commensalism is a long-term biological interaction in which members of one species gain benefits while those of other species neither benefit nor are harmed. Reproduction. Binary fission. In binary fission, single cell divided into two equal cells. Initially, the bacterial cell reaches a critical mass in its structure and cellular constituents. See the picture? The parental cell is there, divided, and finally get for lot of daughter cells in various stages. The circular double-stranded DNA of bacteria undergoes replication where both strands separate and a new complementary strands are formed on the original strand, result in the formation of two identical double-strand DNA. See the picture? The new double-stranded DNA molecules, insufficient nuclei, are then distributed into a two-pole of the dividing cell. A transverse septum develop in the middle region of the cell, which separated the two daughter cells. See the parental cells, mesosome occur, cell membrane is occur, cell wall is occur, the genetic materials also occur. The mesosome giving for external force is divided into two fragments for fission, using for the fission divided to two cells, getting for two daughter cells. The binary fission is a rapid process and a cell undergo division at the interval of 20 to 30 minutes. The division became gradually slow after a certain time due to the accumulation of toxic substance and exhaustion of nutrition. Conidia. Conidia formation take place in filamentous bacteria like Streptomyces, etc. by the formation of transverse septum at the apex of filaments. See the picture? The part of this filament which bear conidia is called conidiophore. After detachment from the mother and getting contact with a suitable substratum, the conidium germinates and gives rise to new mycelium. See the picture? Streptomyces and rhodomicrobium, budding of bacteria. The bacteria cell develops small swelling at one side, which gradually increasing in size. See the picture? Simultaneously, the nucleus undergoes division, where one remains with the mother and the other one with some cytoplasmic goes to the swelling. This outgrowth in the bud, which gets separated from the mother by partial wall. That is example, Rhodomicrobium vanillii. Cyst. Cysts are formed by the deposition of additional layer around the mother wall. They are the resting structure, and during favorable condition, they again behave as their mother. Example, many members of Astrobacter endospore spore are formed during unfavorable environmental condition like desiccation and starvation. As the spore are formed within the cell, they are called endospore. Only one spore is formed in a bacterial cell on germination, it gives rise to a bacterial cell. Definition of cyanobacteria. Any of major group cyanobacteria are photosynthetic bacteria that are single-celled but often form colonies in the form of filament, sheaths, or sphere and are found in the diverse environments such as salt and freshwater, soil, and on rock. Not like other bacteria, cyanobacteria lack a nuclear membrane and membrane-bound organelles and have cell walls containing peptidoglycan. However, cyanobacteria were more commonly grouped with algae in the past because they possess a type of chlorophyll not found in other bacteria and because they produce oxygen as byproduct of photosynthesis. Is also called blue-green algae. Useful effect of bacterium in human. First one, a decomposition of organic material. Nitrogen fixation in some plants, that's called leguminous plant, used to make antibiotics. Food production, example, yogurt, cottage, cheese, blue cheese, and vinegar. Use as a tool in genetic engineering, using for tanning leather and curing tobacco. Bioleaching, extracting minerals from or deposit. Harmful effect of bacteria in humans. Bacteria is present everywhere, including our either body. Bacteria can be harmful, but some species of bacteria are needed to keep us healthy. The bacteria of the skin, in our airways, and in the digestive system are the first line of defense against pathogen that can cause infection and other problems. Each person has a personalized collection of bacteria called the microbe. Some species of bacteria in the body can result in disease such as cancer, diabetics, cardiovascular disease, and obesity. Streptococcus aureus can cause something as simple as a pimple or as serious as pneumonia. Porphyromonas gingivalis is cause gum disease of pancreatic cancer as found in a recent study. Klebsiella pneumonia can cause colitis and subsequently lead to colorectal cancer. It can also cause simple allergies and chronic inflammation. Fungi. A fungi is a member of group of eukaryotic organisms that include microorganisms such as yeast and molds, as well as the more familiar mushroom. These organisms are classified as a kingdom, which is separated from the other eukaryotic life kingdom of plants and animals. Habitat. All fungi are heterotrophics. They require some form of organic carbon for growth. They depend on transport of soluble nutrients across their cell membrane. To do this, they secrete degradative enzyme that's called as a protease into their immediate environment. Therefore, they live on dead organic matter. So, natural habitat is soil or water containing decaying organic matter. See the picture, the penicillium. Here, the penicillium producing for penicillium antibiotics. Alexander Fleming is discovered. And see the structure of the rhizopus. There's bread mold or pin mold fungus. See the structure mushroom. This used for the uh, diabetic patients. It is rich in folic acid and vitamin B12 is used for diabetic patients. The cell structure. Fungi are eukaryotes and have a complex cellular organization as eukaryote fungal cell containing a membrane-bound nucleus where the DNA is warped around histone protein. A few types of fungi have structure comparable to bacterial plasmid loops of DNA. Fungal cells also contain mitochondria and a complex system of internal membrane, including the endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus. Unlike plant cells, fungal cells do not have chloroplast or chlorophyll. Many fungi display bright colors arising from other cellular pigments, ranging from red to green to black. The poisonous Amanita muscaria, fly agarica, is recognizable by its bright red cap with white patches. Pigments in fungi are associated with the cell wall. They play a protective role against ultraviolet radiation and can be toxic. Fungal cell wall are rigid and contain complex polysaccharides called chitin and glucans. Ergosterol is a steroid molecule in the cell membrane that replaces the cholesterol found in animal cell membrane. Fungi can be unicellular, multicellular or dimorphic, which is when the fungi is unicellular or multicellular depending on environmental condition. Fungi in the morphological vegetative stage consist of a tangel of slender thread-like hyphae, whereas the reproductive stage is usually more obvious. Fungi like to be in a moist and slightly acid environment. They can grow with or without light or oxygen. Fungi are saprophyte heterotrophic in that they use the dead or decomposing organic matter as a source of carbon. A glucan, any polysaccharide that is a polymer of glucose. Ergosterol, the functional equivalent of cholesterol found in cell membrane of fungi and some protists, as well as the steroid precursor of vitamin B12, D2, mycelium, the vegetative part of any fungus consisting of mass of branching thread-like hyphae often underground. Hyphae, a long branching filamentous structure of a fungus that is the main mode of vegetative growth. Septum, cell wall division between the hyphae of fungus. Thallus, vegetative body of a fungus. Saprophyte, any organism that live on dead organic matter or certain fungi and bacteria. Chitin is a complex polysaccharide, a polymer of N-acetyl-glucosamine found in the exoskeleton of arthropods and in the cell wall of fungi, though be responsible for some forms of asthma in humans. Nutrition. Like animals, fungi are heterotrophs. They use complex organic compounds as a source of carbon rather than fixed carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, as do some bacteria and most plants. In addition, fungi do not fix nitrogen from the atmosphere. The animals, they must obtain it from their diet. However, unlike most animals which ingest food and digest internally in specialized organs, fungi perform the steps in the reverse order. Digestion precedes ingestion. First, exoenzymes are transported out of the hyphae where they process a nutrient in the environment. Then the smaller molecules produced by this external digestion are absorbed through the large surface area of the mycelium. As with animal cell, the polysaccharide of storage is glycogen rather than the starch found in plant. Fungi are mostly saprophyte in an equivalent terms, organisms that derive nutrients from decaying organic matter. They obtain their nutrients from dead or decomposing organic matter, mainly plant material. Fungal exoenzymes are able to break down insoluble polysaccharides such as the cellulose and lignin of dead wood into readily absorbed glucose molecule. The carbon, nitrogen and other elements are thus released into the environment. Because of their varied metabolic pathway, fungi fulfill an important ecological role and are being investigated as potential tool in bioremediation. Some fungi are parasitic. Infection, either plants or animals, smut and Tritium disease affect plants, whereas athlete's foot and candidus thrush are medically important fungal infection in human. Fungal reproduction. Fungi can reproduce asexually by fragmentation, budding or producing spore, or sexually with homothallic or heterothallic mycelia. New colonies of fungi can grow from the fragmentation of hyphae. During budding, a blue form on the side of the cell. The bud ultimately detached after the nuclear division mitotically. Asexual spore are genetically identical to the parent and many may be released either outside or within the special reproductive sac called as sporangia. Adverse environmental conditions often cause sexual reproduction in fungi. Mycelium can either be homothallic or heterothallic when reproducing sexually. Fungal sexual reproduction includes the following three stages: plasmogamy, karyogamy, and gametangia. Homothallic. Male and female reproductive structure are present in the same plant or fungal mycelia. Gametangium, an organ or cell in which gametes are produced, that is found in many multicellular protists, algae, fungi, and the gametophytes of plants. Spore or reproductive particles, usually a single cell, released by a fungus, alga, or plant that may be germinated into another. Sporangium cause capsule or container in which spore are producing by the organism. Karyogamy, the fusion of two male nuclei within a cell. Plasmogamy, stage of sexual reproduction, joining the cytoplasm to parent mycelium without the fusion of nuclei. Fungi and the environment. Harmful fungi, helpful fungi. Decomposition of food, human would eat. Competition for our food. Decomposer, a return nutrient to the soil for producer. Causes disease in animals and plants. Human food, mushroom, yeast for bread and bearing cheese flavor, blue. Producing toxin, chemicals that can kill organism. Medicine, antibiotics, penicillin and other drugs. Industry, ethanol production, gasoline substitute, additive. Protozoa. Protozoa is a informal term of single-cell eukaryote, either free-living or parasitic, which feed on organic matter such as other microorganisms or organic tissues and debris. Protozoa habitat. Protozoa are single-celled organisms. They come in many different shapes and size, ranging from an amoeba, which can changing its shape, to paramecium, with its fixed shape and complex structure. They live in a wide variety of moist habitats, including freshwater, marine environment, and the soil. Protozoa shape. Protozoa or protozoan are single-celled eukaryotic microorganisms. Some protozoa are oval or spherical, other elongated. Still, others have a different shape at different stages of the life cycle. Cells can be as small as 1 micron in diameter and as large 2000 micron or 2 millimeter, visible without magnification. See the protozoan, paramecium, and euglena, some diatoms. Also see the picture. Nutrient in protozoa. Most of the protozoa derived nutrient by ingestions other organisms. This mode of nutrition is said to be holozoic. It involves development of organelles for food capture, ingestion, digestion, assimilation, and adjacents to undigested food materials. Nutrition in protozoa. See the picture. A few well-known protozoa. Here the picture is pasted here. Sexual reproduction of in protozoa. Two process. What is a syngamy? Another one is a conjugation. Syngamy. It is the complete fusion of two cells or gametes resulting in the formation of zygote. The fusion of nuclei of zygote is called synkaryon. Conjugation. Another one type called as the isogamy. When two fusion gametes are smaller in size and shape but differ in behavior, they are called as isogametes, and their union, isogametes, are generally produced by the multiple fission. Example, Chlamydomonas, anisogamy. When two fusion gametes differ morphological as well as in behavior, they are called anisogametes, and the fusion of these dissimilar gametes is called anisogamy. Small and motile gametes are the male or microgametes, and large non-motile one at the female of macrogametes. Example, Plasmodium and Volvox. Autogamy. It is the fusion of Dear student, we are going to discuss about some multiple choice question and answer. Mushroom belongs to the group of algae, virus, fungi, none of this. Mushroom as a under the group of fungi is the exact answer. And another one question, amoeba belonging to algae, fungi, protozoa, virus. Algae is a photosynthetic plant. Fungi as group of separate categories. Virus as a living and non-living. The exact answer is protozoa. The another question, penicillium is a algae, fungus, bacteria. The last one, yeast. Algae as a photosynthetic plant, bacteria also some photosynthetic, yeast as a fermentation product. Penicillium is fungal under the category of fungi. This is the exact answer. Penicillium getting for penicillin. That's the exact answer is fungi. The fourth one question, microorganisms are category of unicellular, multicellular, both, none of this. Unicellular organism, a single organism. Multicellular organism, both, none of this. Microorganism or multicellular organism is the exact answer. The another one question, organisms without nucleus or insufficient nucleus and cell organelles belonging to fungi, protozoa, algae, bacteria. Fungi, the separate category. Protozoa also a different category. Algae, a photosynthetic category. Bacteria is the exact answer for organism without nucleus and cell organelles belong to these groups.